What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to add an order tracking page on your Shopify store. So let's get right to it. First of all, as you can see here, I'm signed into my Shopify account. And to add an order tracking page, you need to use an app. So let's go to apps here from the menu on the left. And in the search bar, let's type in like order tracking, the keywords that we need, and hit enter. The Shopify App Store will open up in a new tab. And here you can see some of the apps that are related or that do what we asked for, that's order tracking. Now we want to search for an app that's like highly rated with lots of reviews and a free app, or at least it has a free plan available. So now you can see some of these apps. So this one, the parcel panel order tracking, or the track 123 order tracking, or the after ship. So they are all highly rated with large number of reviews here, and they all have free plans available. However, this one, the post ship, it's free. However, it doesn't have as many reviews, and it's not low rating. However, it's lower than some of the apps. So let's here for this video, let's try the parcel panel order tracking. And it's also, as a perk, it's built for Shopify, so you know that the so you know that the integration will be seamless, or more at least better than the other might be. And it's highly rated with 5 stars and with lots of positive reviews. So let's click on it. Here it'll open up the page with the app specifications, the app features and benefits. And here you can see the plans. The free plan offers you up to 20 orders per month, and you can pay more. So the essential is $9 a month, the professional is $49, and the enterprise is $3.99 with 5 cents per additional quota. So each plan gives you more orders per month, and here you can have more features, of course, going with the more expensive plan. So here let's go ahead and install it. I'll show you how to install and set it up. So click on install here, and in this page just click on install once again. And now the app is installed and you'll be redirected to its panel, so the parcel panel. Now here you have a special offer to double your quota, or double 2.5 times your free quota. And here you can give your friend an extended 30 days free trial if you want to. So that's like your referral plan. Now here you have the steps necessary to set up your app. So you can add your tracking page here. So click on tracking page, add tracking page. Now here what you want to do in the menus is to add a menu. And if you go back here, they give you this URL. So your store's URL /apps/parcel panel. So you need to copy this link, and you need to add it here to your menu item. So in this case, the title, let's say tracking page. Now the menu item, let's add a menu item, and here let's add a name, so like tracking. And now here let's go ahead and make sure we copied this link right here. So click on copy link, and now paste it here, and then click on this pop-up. Now click on add, and the menu item is now added. Now save the menu, and let's go back to the setup process and click I've done this. Okay, now you can customize your shipping notifications and drop shipping mode if you are using a drop shipping business model. Now let's go back and customize here. So click on customize notifications. So here you can edit the notifications that are sent to your customers. So the info received notification, you can enable it or click on edit the template. So this is how it'll look like. So this is basically the page that says your order, or that is sent to the client to tell them that the order is ready to be shipped here. And they have this button to track the order, and these are the items. So like a summary of the order itself, with of course your address and information below. And this is how it'll look on a mobile phone as well. Okay, and with the tracking number and courier and everything. Now here you can edit the sender information. You can set it to show your information or not. You can edit the language. Here you can manage the language and allow automatic multilingual email sending. Here you can edit the header. So you can basically edit this like page. You can add an image as a logo, add your logo, edit the logo size. Of course, here I haven't added a logo, so this my store is the logo. You can add the store name, add the go-to URL that will the customer will go to once they click on track the order. Now here you can edit the footer that has the address and your information. Now I can edit the display, the alignment in the center, and the corner radius is standard. And here I can edit the colors. So the header color, background color, email background, let's make it blue. The header background, let's make it like pink. The store name text, let's make it like bright red. Of course, these colors don't match. However, I'm just showing you how to do so. Now, for the body, the background, the description, the heading, everything, I can control all the colors. And that's it. So that's how it's done. Now click on done and now save. And I can also send this test email. So let's save it for now. Now let's close this setup. Now I edited the template for the info received, or the like order is about to be shipped. Now I can edit the out for delivery template. It's like the same settings, and the settings or the looks that I added are like all here. However, this text is different. Your order is out for delivery, and it has the same button for tracking your order. Now, as you can see, I can edit the templates. However, I cannot like enable these pages because I need to be at least on the essential plan, which is the least paid plan here, to be able to like display these pages. And add social media platform, it was like disabled in the templates. Now here I can view some more options. So update tracking link in Shopify if I want to, and send shipping tracking every events to Shopify, and more settings to here for the courier matching. They have like most of the like supported couriers. Now let's go to tracking page itself, and we can edit the appearance here, the language, the custom shipment status, and the estimated delivery date, product recommendations, and so much more. Here you can edit the color style, the horizontal on mobile, vertical on mobile. So this is the like general appearance with the borders and everything. Now let's go and edit or view the estimated delivery date. You can edit, of course, the details here. However, to show this page, you need to be on the essential plan. You can preview it, of course. Click on preview to show the tracking page itself. So it gives you like a timeline, order on this date, order ready, in transit, out for delivery, and delivered, with the courier and the summary of the order. Okay, so and the tracking number, the order number, and the email or phone number. So let's close it. Go back to the appearance. Let's click on preview. And you can still preview this page that like explains the steps and shows exactly where your order is in the process. So that's basically it. That's how easy it is to add an order tracking page on Shopify and edit it.